I'm at the, alright guys, I'm at the, this is the Largo Central Park Nature Preserve. It's supposed to have some cool stuff. Alcohol not permitted. No littering. Pets are not permitted. Motorcycles, golf, not permitted. It's kind of like, you know, they're like, graffiti, no nothing. Let's see if I can show you guys around. Yeah, gotta get me one of those bike, what do they call those bike mounts for your phone. But yeah. How far I want to go in here, but it's first time here, so yeah, man, Largo's got a lot of parks, man. You got that Bay Ponds Park I showed you guys, and you got Largo Central Park, and now you got this Largo Preserve thing, Nature Preserve. So let's go around here and see what's going on. So you got like a bike path and a car path. There's the car path. Pretty peaceful here, nobody here, but it looks like everybody's, this is on a Saturday, it looks like every time I come on a Saturday, there's nobody's here. Everybody must be, at the theater watching Black Panther or something. Alright, let's see what's going on. We got a biker coming on the other way. Let's see what's going on over here. Kind of a bunk fest over there. I don't really see much going on over here. I know. Let's see what we got. We got some openings coming up over here. It seems like a, that area seems like a bunk fest. I don't want to go in there. Okay, let's see what we got over here. We got something going on over here. There's people hanging out. Oh, this is not like a crackhead park or something. Alright. Looks like something's going on over there. Let's see what this area is. There's some people talking over there. Oh, we got this area. What the hell is this? Let's see what this is over here. Alright. Alright, wee! Alright. I want to go up in there, but what is this thing, a skateboard area? Alright, wee! Alright. Let's see what this is. Oh, we got another, okay, this must take you to the woods area, I don't know. Let's go on in the woods, I guess. Creepy. Okay, here it is. Paddling route. Alright, man, this thing goes on forever, man. See what's going on down here. Yeah, like I said, I don't got no light on my bike. I can't stay out too long. I'm a couple miles from home. About 2.5 miles from home here. Alright. See what we got over here. Oh, we got some ducks over here. Alright. I don't know. It's like a bunk fest over here. Alright, I think I'm going to turn around there. This is not cool. This is a slimy mess over here. This is not cool right here. I think I'm going to turn around, guys. Looks like a bunk fest. I see some birdies up there, but that's not fun. I've seen those all over the place. Looks like a bug fest. Alright, I'm gonna turn around here. Yeah. I'm not really feeling all that. Let's see what else we got over here. kind of peaceful. I don't want to stay over in this area. It has to have a crap load of mosquitoes. What is this little area? Is it an outhouse? Oh, no, what is this? What is that? Some kind of... Oh. So you can go there and see what this is. Okay, it tells you. Okay, it's like a bird area. Turkey vulture. You got turkey vultures here? Yeah, turkey vultures here. I haven't seen one. Alright. Turkey vulture. Says they have fishing here, but I don't know. I don't think you're gonna be fishing in that. Shows a fishing, but I don't know. Oh, what's this area? It's like more creepy area over here. Man, I don't know, guys. This looks like a bug fest over here. It looks like a bug fest. Alright, shows all the... not really too interesting. East Carnival. Okay, there's a pond down that way. I don't know if I want to go to the pond or not. I can't stay out too long. I've got no light on my bike here. Alright. Okay, here's a pond, okay. I guess we can take a look at the pond. We got a lot of ponds around here. Alright, oh, it's a pretty big pond, alright. Let's take a look. Hi. Alright, wow, it's a bigger pond than I thought. Oh. Some birds right there. That guy right there. Okay. So we got the boardwalk goes all the way around. I guess you can go fishing in here because they got like a dock here. I guess you can go fishing in here. What's going on here? Birds over here. Whoa. Well, kind of peaceful over here. I want some over there too. Alright guys, I think that's about it. Looks like a fish over there. Something jumped in the water there. Oh, right there's a fish right there. Looks like it. Or a turtle. Oh yeah, it's a turtle. Oh wow. I can see him, he's got his head out of the water. There's a turtle right there. Huh. Yeah, pretty peaceful, huh? But yeah. Alright guys, I think that's about it. How long can you take a look at birds? Even though we don't see any kind of these kinds of birds in Michigan. So weird looking birds, man. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.